inquiry only. The state administration has taken the reported untoward incident with utmost seriousness, and the incident is deeply regretted. In response, Honorable Governor has constituted an inquiry committee comprising. We'll start now. Very warm welcome to all of you. Binatan, please distribute a copy of that press release. So, allow me to welcome all of you for this press meet, an important press meet. With me is the Advisor Security, Shri Kuldeep Singh. I will just read line by line the press statement that we had issued yesterday in the second half, just for information of the press. The release is dated 28th May. It says that organized as part of normalcy restoration process, the Shiroi festival at Ukhrul attracted about 1.7 lakh people. People of all communities travelled with families from valley areas and other parts of the state, as well as from outside the state, to Ukhrul to attend the festival, as state administration had provided foolproof security and safe environment for festive activities. However, one unfortunate incident on 20th of May 2025, when a Manipur State Road Transport bus ferrying journalists to the Shiroi festival was stopped and the name of the state was reportedly covered, has drawn wide criticism. There had been no instructions whatsoever and even remote thought of covering the name of the state, as has been alleged. This has been amply clarified by the state government as well as by the responsible political leadership. What transpired on the ground would be revealed after a thorough inquiry only. The state administration has taken the reported untoward incident with utmost seriousness, and the incident is deeply regretted. In response, Honorable Governor has constituted an inquiry committee comprising of Commissioner Home and the Secretary IT, which is to submit its report in a time-bound manner. We would like to assure all concerned that once the report is submitted and those responsible for the lapses, if any, are identified, strict action will be taken. The state will ensure that such incident does not occur in future. The administration is committed to the integrity of the state of Manipur, and the only aim of all these efforts is to establish lasting peace in the state. Keeping this in mind, the administration once again requests all to cooperate in maintaining public order. Thank you.